What's up YouTube? Pat the Car Guy here from OregonCarsWest.com. Wanted to make a quick video. Sorry for not posting a lot of content lately, but it's been busy getting a couple businesses off the ground. So part of one of those businesses, you need to learn how to disable smart key on your new Toyota sometimes. So I'm going to go over with you how to do that. I currently personally have 3 new Toyotas, all with smart keyless entry. So this one's a Tacoma, a Corolla, this one's a RAV4. The best way to go about that, you got to release on the side of the key or the bottom of the key, depending on which key you have. If it's a newer model, like a RAV4 Prime or Ravenza, it's a different key still, and the release will be on the back side of the key. So, set this phone down real quick. In the middle there, you got a little notch. You're gonna take the key, put it in the notch, twist. Take that part out and remove the battery. Remove the battery. That's how you disable smart key. On a newer, or sorry, an older Prius, some of those had a option to turn off the smart key functionality with a button underneath the dash. The new ones, to the best of my knowledge, do not offer that. So I'm also going to test this theory right now for you as well. Here's the RAV4. Twist the end. Pull this battery out. There it comes. So I'm going to take the pieces to the key, put them in the car, lock the car. Car's locked up. I'm going to take the keys and put them a little away from the car just to be sure. Car's locked up. So I've disabled the smart keyless entry. I could still open the car right now from my Toyota app through via Toyota Remote Connect, or I can just walk up to the vehicle with my other key that's not taken apart, get in the car. That's how you disable the smart key system on your newer Toyota. Hopefully the video was helpful for you. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you want to see some more videos. Have a great day.